A tire puncture or even a gash in the sidewall doesn't always mean the end to your off-road adventures. If you're an ATV or off-road vehicle enthusiast, you've likely encountered some tire damage. The two most common types of off-road tire damage are punctures in the tread area and gashes or tears in the sidewall. Today we're joined by Izzy from Tech Repairs, who's going to talk about how you can quickly fix both types of damage using Tech's Permacure insert repairs. Welcome back, Izzy.
Thanks, Doug. It's true. Off-roading can be brutal on your tires. Jagged rocks, fence posts, and other hazards are everywhere on the trail. For basic puncture repairs, our Permacure inserts can get you back up and running fast. To begin, locate the puncture and remove the object that caused the puncture using pliers. Next, you'll need to clean up the puncture to remove any torn belts or cords using a reaming tool. Once you've thoroughly cleaned up the injury, leave the reaming tool in the tire to avoid any additional loss of air. Next, carefully remove the blue poly cover from the Permacure. Avoid touching the cushion gum as much as possible. The oils from your skin can reduce the adhesion of the repair insert. Place the repair into the eye of the installation tool. Apply the vulcanizing fluid to the repair unit directly from the tube or bottle. Remove the reaming tool from the injury, and without twisting, firmly push the Permacure into the injury until the installation tool bottoms out. Then, remove the installation tool by pulling straight out of the tire. Now, simply trim off the excess repair using a knife or cutting tool.
All right, so Izzy, how are Permacures different from other tire plugs?
There are two key advantages to Permacure repairs. The first advantage is that they're reinforced with nylon fiber. This makes them stronger and easier to install than a typical string repair. The other key advantage is that they're lined with our gray cushion gum. When combined with our vulcanizing fluid, a chemical reaction takes place that permanently bonds the repair to the tire.
That's good news for our enthusiasts. So how do you repair larger punctures or gashes in the sidewall?
That's the great thing about our cushion gum. Not only will the repair permanently bond to the tire, but the repairs also bond to each other. So you can use multiple repairs to fill larger damages. Let's see how it works. To fill a sidewall injury, start by removing any damage with a knife or your reamer tool to create a clean bonding surface. Next, begin filling the injury one Permacure at a time. Simply cover a Permacure with vulcanizing fluid, place it in the injury, and repeat while making sure you press each new Permacure tightly together with the previous. Fill the injury with as many repairs as it takes to fill the puncture or gouge. Finally, once the last Permacure is in place, trim off the excess repair using a knife or cutting tool.
Thank you, Izzy. And for more information and tire repair tips, visit techtirerepairs.com.